toast. For some, it's just a side dish. For others, it's an absolute religion. Did you know that the way you eat your toast says everything about you? From the purist to the burger master, let's find out which toast type you are. Let's start at the very bottom, the purists. You like it soft, fluffy, and absolutely untoasted. A bit of ham, a slice of cheese, done. Inconceivable to some, but pure comfort to you. It has to be quick, it has to be filling. No time for frills. Then we have the perfectionists. The toast must be exactly golden brown. The crunch must be audible, but the inside still soft. This is where the art of spreads comes into play. Melting butter, jam, or the classic chocolate hazelnut spread. If you skimp here, you've lost control of your breakfast. Now for the most controversial group, the dark mode eaters. For you, the enjoyment only begins when the bread almost reaches the consistency of a rusk. Roasted aromas? No, we're talking about real crunch training for the jaw muscles. Dangerous, but you love it. But then there are the visionaries, those who elevate simple sliced bread to a Michelin star level. Why just spread when you can construct? A perfectly fried egg in the middle, no problem. And for the ultimate final bosses, the toast burger. Who says you need buns for that? A massive patty, melted cheddar, fresh toppings. The toast becomes the ultimate canvas for culinary masterpieces.
Just a little, take me along the way. Won't you visit? Won't you stop by to stay? I'm a better man with your love than without. In the sea. Never make it out. And in the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary. Only your love's gonna make it right.
But then there are the visionaries, those who elevate simple sliced bread to a Michelin star level. Why just spread when you can construct? A perfectly fried egg in the middle, no problem. And for the ultimate final bosses, the toast burger. Who says you need buns for that? A massive patty, melted cheddar, fresh toppings. The toast becomes the ultimate canvas for culinary masterpieces.